Hey guys, it's James here again at Appalachian DIY. We're here changing the spark plugs on the Kia today, and I thought it was a good opportunity to talk about this spark plug socket set that I got a while back. This is a magnetic socket set. The reason why I got this set was because I got tired of my old spark plug sockets. The really old ones is not a huge deal, but like on newer ones, before this rubber's really gotten broken in, it would have the tendency to stick on the top of the spark plug like that. And it's not always a big deal, but if the spark plug hole is kind of really recessed or hard to get to, this can waste a lot of time trying to get this rubber piece off of the spark plug. You could just do away with it altogether, but then the spark plug just falls out, which is also annoying. So anyway, so what I found on Amazon this Gearwrench set. I ended up buying it off the Mack truck, but I found it on Amazon. Obviously it's cheaper on Amazon, but this is 5/8. They sell the 13/16 as well, but this is what I use pretty much all the time, so I got the 5/8 set. But what it is instead of having that rubber piece on the inside, it's actually, this is just a magnet inside. So
yeah, magnets.
it sticks to the metal part of the spark plug, and it makes it a lot easier when installing it. So basically, when removing the plug, this is not really any more beneficial than your old type of spark plug socket. Just when installing it, the magnetic piece versus the rubber piece, is just, you eliminate the whole possibility of this rubber coming off and sticking to the spark plug. So this set is the swivel set. The extension's already built on. This set comes with these three, which are going to be what you need most of the time. You should still hang on to your normal extensions and sockets and things like that, because these don't work for everything, you know. So definitely you're still going to need these occasionally, but for the most part, I've had this set for about a year, and I don't even recall but maybe one time having to use a normal spark plug socket. So the swivel makes it nice when you need angles and things like that, versus just a straight extension and socket. But you can see, it's basically exactly like a normal set. You're gonna feel it kind of engage. Just like that. So you're ready to go ahead and use it. Alright, so you can see it pulls it out perfectly. It's still easy to get off, but you also don't have to worry about it falling off. So, and the good thing about magnets is it doesn't wear out like rubber. So how it works right now is how it's always going to work until this thing just literally disintegrates. So when installing the plug with the Gearwrench magnetic sockets, it's basically exactly the same as you would with the old-fashioned spark plug socket. Just kind of feel around in there. Go ahead and start threading it in just like normal. And once it bottoms out on that washer, you can see how easily it pulls out. You know, not a huge deal. Goes back on very easily. And the best part of it is that there's no rubber piece stuck on the end of that spark plug. So in closing, would you rather have this or this? Personally, I'd rather have the first. You be the judge. If you can get a good price on these, even 50, 60 bucks, I think is well worth what it's paid for the amount of times that you have to deal with this inside of a deep spark plug hole, like on a Triton Ford or something similar to that, where you just can't get to those back spark plug holes. You don't want this on there. So invest the money in the Gearwrench and you won't be disappointed.